Can you recommend a good restaurant? We often use can to ask for or give permission. We often use can to talk about the ability to do something in the present or future. Let's take a look at the following situations. Situation 1. Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Good morning, ladies. How is your trip?
Hi. We had a wonderful morning watching the sunrise. It is so beautiful.
Yes, the sea, the mountains, the scenery here are all very beautiful.
You're right. Can you send someone to pick up the laundry from our room?
Sure, your room is 107, right?
That's right. You remember it. So great.
I'll ask the housekeeping staff to pick it up.
Thank you.
Have you had breakfast yet? Today, our hotel serves breakfast.
Thank you, but we had breakfast and coffee at the roadside cafe. By the way, can you recommend a good restaurant for lunch? We want to find a restaurant nearby that we can both walk there and enjoy the view.
There are so many places to choose from close to the hotel. I recommend the Pink Restaurant, just up the road. It is lovely, has good service, and has amazing food.
Do they serve seafood there? I want to eat seafood.
Yes, they do serve seafood there.
I heard the specialty food here is seafood. I want to enjoy it.
Yes, this place is famous for seafood.
Let's have lunch at the Pink Restaurant and have seafood for dinner at another restaurant.
Great. That's okay. Can you recommend a good restaurant for seafood?
Of course. The dinner at our hotel is usually excellent. But if you like seafood, in my own opinion, the best seafood restaurant here is the King Restaurant.
Where is it?
The King Restaurant is only 10 minutes walk away to the east.
Thanks so much.
My pleasure.
Let's take a shower, then we have lunch at the Pink Restaurant.
Okay. Should you have any questions or requests, please dial 0 from your room.
Sure. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Situation 2. She is likened to a superwoman.
Nia, how is your work?
Hi, Sophie. Everything is fine now. I can manage.
Sophie, we have a guest. But he is Japanese, and he cannot speak English. He said he was passing by and stopped by, so there is no translator to accompany him.
Can you speak Japanese?
No, I can't.
Let's ask for his contact information first. I will find a solution.
Okay?
I'll go with you.
She is here.
Who is she?
She is Briona.
She can speak Japanese?
Not just Japanese. She can speak 5 languages: French, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese.
And English. She is amazing.
Yes, she is not only good at languages, but also at sports. She can swim and swims very well.
I hate water. I can't swim.
2 months ago, she represented our company in a regional swimming competition.
And
she won a gold medal in that swimming competition.
wow, amazing. Yes?
Oh, you scared me.
Sorry. She finished her business trip earlier than expected and returned to the company. I started to admire her. Although she is very busy with work and business trips, but she always spends time taking care of her skin and traveling. She can balance work and leisure.
People in the company often likened her to a superwoman.
Sophie, you need to see him. He could become our potential customer. Okay. Hi, Akina.
Hi, Briona.
Good afternoon. Are you a newcomer? Yes. Hi, I'm Mia. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I have to go with Sophie. Yes, I know. Akina, she's so pretty, and her voice is so soft.
I know. Now, we need to get back to work.
Situation 3. Can I park my car here? Hello. Can I speak with Miss Glenda Cooman, please? Hi, I'm Glenda Cooman. My name is Julia Lee. I'm calling about your apartment for rent. Kelsey recommended this apartment to me. I heard from her. Would you be interested in seeing the apartment? Yes, I'd love to. Are you free to visit the apartment this Saturday around 11 a.m.? Great. Do you know how to get there? Yes, I do. Okay. See you this Saturday. Welcome to the apartment. Thank you. I live with my sister, Elena. Now she goes out. She is friendly and sociable. Great. Can you take me to go around the apartment? Sure. Follow me. Elena and I share a large bedroom. Your room is opposite our room. The bedroom will be for you. It's big enough for me. Is this a quiet building? Yes, it's very quiet to be able to study and work. Can I park here? Yes, You can park your car in the basement of the building. We have 2 small bathrooms. You can use both bathrooms. They're so clean. You can use the washer and dryer. You can use utensils in the kitchen. You can bake the cake in the oven.
Great. I like cooking. Can I use the television?
Yes, you can. You can use objects in the living room, but you can't turn on the television too loud after 11 p.m.
Yes, I know. It will affect everyone's sleep. How much is the rent?
Rent is $360 per person per month. There are elevators in the building, so you can transport your belongings to the room easily.
Yes, the apartment is great, but I need to reconsider and I will call you later.
Okay, I know. I'm sure you'll love it.
Thank you for today.
Think twice and call me soon.
Situation 4. I can hear the sound of the sea. Hey, are you okay? I didn't see you in the fine art class today.
Hi, Victor. I'm fine.
Your voice sounds sad.
No, I'm okay.
Will you go to school tomorrow?
Maybe.
See you at the school gate at 4 p.m.
4 p.m.?
Why? Remember that. Good night.
Wait.
Hey, you're late. Sorry, I borrowed Bill's bike so I was late. He kept insisting that I would lose his bike.
Why did you borrow his bike?
Get on the bike.
Can you ride a bike?
Of course I can.
Where do we go?
We go to the beach near the school. I've never seen you miss any art class before.
We're going to college, and I'm a bit worried.
You know that. My score is low. The only thing I can do is draw, but now I'm not sure about it. Why? I can't draw as well as you. But you are good at other subjects. Math, chemistry, and biology. You can play the piano, basketball, and swim. You are so good. Thank you. And you can draw very well. You said that you wanted to be as famous as Picasso.
Can I?
Why not? Look, the sunset. It's so beautiful. Listen, I think I can hear the sound of the sea. I can hear it too. The edge of the sea is a strangely beautiful place. Don't be afraid of the space between your dreams and reality. If you can dream it, you can make it so.
Okay. I will meet many people, draw many beautiful paintings, and find good teachers to learn from.
You can learn more about drawing on computers and iPads.
You're right.
Thanks for bringing me here.
You're welcome. Let's go eat something.
Okay.
Oh, where's Bill's bike?
I don't know.
Oh no, Bill will kill me.